What's going on, guys? Y'all know what it is. I'm DGat, you watching DGat TV. I had my friend Desiree draw a picture of Pegasus and it really came out bomb. Shout out to you, Desiree, you the bomb. And I actually had a lady make a shirt for Pegasus and I'm on the way to pick it up right now. Anyways, let's roll. Okay guys, we just made it. Ooh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see this shirt, y'all. Let's see what happened. So yeah, currently he's hard at work on the back image of the Pegasus t-shirt. Okay.
I know go inside and you can see.
Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and check this out, guys. Man, this machine is amazing. Look at that. Jesus, it's pretty cool. So he is pressing the image onto the t-shirt. So it's a press-on vinyl shirt. It's pretty cool. It's pretty quick to make, which is why I decided to go this way. And it makes the effects really pop out. So I'm excited for how this is gonna turn out, guys. This is gonna be awesome. So this is the first official Pegasus t-shirt we are working on. It's gonna be one of a kind. The new ones that come after this will be a totally different design. Look at it on the computer. Man, it even looks amazing on the computer. Look at that. It's going into the machine to be pressed. So you mind telling me how this machine here works?
We're gonna print straight.
Okay.
And then we're gonna start putting a two-ply white base on it.
Okay.
After that with the color.
Just prepping the surface there. Okay. So cool, guys. So pretty much what you just did is just sprayed it down, got it nice and flat, getting it prepped for the surface to be printed. And then, oh my God, look at that machine at work.
Two-ply white coating.
Okay, so the white coat is first.
Yeah, two times.
2 times, okay. So the white coat is laid twice.
After the three colors.
And then after the black and white is laid out, the color is added onto the picture. Man, I'm telling y'all, man, technology is amazing. Look at that, even on the computer, man. So this is the second layer of the t-shirt being laid down. And that is beautiful. Look at that. I'm really excited, y'all. I didn't even expect this picture to come out this beautiful. Well, I knew it was gonna come out this beautiful because I had my friend drawing it, and she is an amazing artist, which is why I had her do it for me. Sorry guys, I'm the only one she's gonna do the logo for. Put her through a lot of work because I'm so extra, so I kind of ruined it for everybody else, but she doesn't mind doing artwork for me, so I love her very much for that, because this just totally made my day. Like, this is the best Christmas present I could ask for. So now it looks like the color is being laid down. As you see the background being laid out there on Pegasus. Oh man, that's dope. That is really beautiful, y'all. It's like magic. And we are done. Let's check it out.
Okay. We're gonna dry it.
Okay. So once it comes out of the printer, he lays it out here on the dryer and sends it in for the image to finish drying off. So we get a nice and clean finish. Look at that. Have to cue some theme music in here for Pegasus.
We'll dry it off, and then we cure the ink.
Okay.
So when you wash it, you can stay there.
Okay. So you dry it out, and then after that you cure the ink, so it stays as I wash it.
One time through it out.
Okay. Okay. So the process after the drying process comes the curing process, and pretty much what that means is they cure the ink so that when I wash it, it stays on there and doesn't deteriorate. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, I know I said that this would be the only shirt of its kind. Let me go ahead and clarify that. What I meant by that is I'm not changing the logo in any way because Desiree did a bomb job on the logo. But what I mean by that is later on in the future, when I decide to mass produce this shirt, the font may change later on as far as the Snapchat and Instagram names, depending on how I decide to do that. So if you guys do like the shirt, you guys like the logo and like the image, please comment below. Let me know what you think about it, and let me know if you would be interested in the shirt once I decide to mass produce it. Kind of keeping my eyes out for new ideas on how I'll do that. So make sure you guys comment on how y'all feel about the shirt. I will be looking forward to those comments. Pegasus shirt has just popped out the printer. Oh my god, look at that. It is beautiful. I can dig it. That is a beautiful shirt, guys. Thank you so much. I love it.